here. Waki, good morning. Welcome to SM Mall of Asia. So let's go there. So we're here. We're gonna go to IKEA for the breakfast promo, right, Joaquin?
Yes.
Because it started yesterday. IKEA is offering a 20 pesos breakfast until Sunday. There. Oh my god, it's been a while. The last time I went to IKEA. Yes. Hello, my lovies, my Joseph. Welcome back to a new vlog. So Joaquin and I are heading to the IKEA because IKEA is offering a 20 pesos breakfast. So we're here to try it. Okay, so later we will show the breakfast. I think it's a chicken longanisa. Okay, so see you later. So this is nice. Yan. Diba? Ka 7.9. Actually, I need the Billy for the house. Pero I want kasi na ano. Yan, no, it's nice. I need that. I need this. Actually, that one. But it's too tall. I have this one. But I like in white. Yan. Oh, nice, diba? So me and Joaquin are here. Wardrobe. Nice. Let's go na, anak. Because the breakfast will start at 9 o'clock. And it's almost 9 o'clock na. Sale. Ang daming sale ngayon. Oh my God. And I'll be back naman with Labidudes on Monday. And we're so early. It's nice to be early. Sale pala ngayon talaga. Line. Aha. Yay! Alright. Let's go na. We're the first one to come up. Showroom will open at 9:30 pa. Restaurant. Gaming, yeah. Gaming chair. I really love IKEA. I don't know, but I really love IKEA. Oh, we need this, Joaquin. Ta-da! Diretso lang. We're the first one. Uy, ang daming mabibili na naman. Because of the breakfast, we're here. Choo-choo. Alright. So, let's dig in. Yeah. Ay, maraming tao dito, ano. So, we'll buy 6 breakfasts. Yes. Morning. Get the tray. 20 pesos. Coffee, tea. Yeah. Good morning. We're here for the 20 pesos. 6. So here, for your info, one member, you can only get 2 plates. So the rest, 99 pesos na siya. Waki, how do you find the breakfast at 20 pesos?
Yes, it's very good.
Really?
Yeah.
Is the 20 pesos worth?
Yes.
Is the 20 pesos worth it to come here as early as 8:30 just for this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy? Look at the camera.
Let's eat, guys.
Now for the breakfast. Oh my gosh. It's only 9:30. Good thing we're early here. No, Makin? Good thing we're so early here. So, this is for takeout na. The other 5. Showroom. Here. Ito yung gusto ko. This is another bed we need, but that's not the bed I wanted. This one, this is nice. Ay, nice to ano?
IKEA.
IKEA. And 6'9". Oh, nagsasawa siya. Kitchen na to eh. For the kitchen. I like this ano, Wakian. This is nice. 6'4". 6'450". This one, oh. Can you sit, Wakian? Can you sit, anak? Can you sit? Sit, dali. Check natin if it's good. Like it?
Yes.
Is it comfy?
Yes, comfy.
Okay. 30 pesos lang pala yun. I like this, ano. Para at least, oh. 100 this one. We need this. Umbrella is, ano. Waki. What's this, anak? Ay. Ito, oh. 40 lang, oh. Welcome back na lang. Oh, this one pa. Daddy needs this. O, diba? Si daddy ang may need. Hindi si mommy. Because, yan. This one. Oh, nice. Oh, ito pa, oh. Ang cute, Waki, oh. Horsey. Sponge. Oh, Waki, oh.
Wiper.
Wiper.
I want this one.
Shower, squeeze. Oh, diba?
No, it's wiper. What's it for? Car? This for car?
No, it's for shower. Okay, let's check this. Oh, we need this. Hangers. What's this? Ay, that's nice. This is nice. And truck pillow. Microwave lid. Ay, nice to. That's what we need, Joaquin. Kaya lang, hindi pa to pwede yata bilhin. Welcome back naman on Monday, anak.
What time?
It's up to daddy. Here. Trash bin. Ay, sip it. We need this. And this one for phone. 70. Okay. Oh, pillow, stomach sleeper. Ito lang siya, oh. Bakit, Cam? So here, oh, this is what I need, no? Yung divider. Ayan yung divider, anak.
Laptop.
This is, small say yan, oh. Where small becomes smart. Actually, this one is good na, eh. Ano kaya to? Nice to. This is what I need. Yeah, sa house. This one. Is the, ano, ganda rin. Uy, sarap nito. 799 lang, oh. This is nice. We need a new pillow. Yan. Let's check the, ano. We're looking for, something like that. Kasi we will create a bedroom downstairs. You know, yung ganyan. Yes. Very, ano naman to. That's nice. Cozy, cozy. Very vintage. Ay, tawakin. Ayan. Pero it's too high. The Billy. Oh, ganda naman itong sofa. 46. Wala tayong makita na Billy lang. Ha? This is cute. I like this. Yan, oh, nice. Very nice. 52,000. This one, ang ganda ng color. Teal. 48. Yan, gusto ko yan. I like it. This one yata to. 699 lang. Cute. A sofa. This is a lamp. Uy, 890 lang anak ko.
Section.
Extension, how much is the extension? There.
It's 250. It's mura.
Yeah. It's a house. This one. I-enclose natin eh. And this one also, this is nice anak. I like this. Ito, gusto ko to eh. Para yung mga ano ko. I like this. Ano kaya to? How much is this? $24,000. Pero gusto ko na ano 31,000. Ah. So this is what I need for the house kasi we will cover we will separate the dining, the kitchen and the living room. So that's what we need, this one. And we will just put insert. Yan. Yan siya. So yeah. This one is also nice. Yan. And this is nice. Oh, I like the ano. This is nice anak. And this is more is cheaper. This is cheaper. At least may ano working area. 899. This is nice. Oh, new here in IKEA. This one. Oh, diba? Nice. Sobrang nice. So, maganda na yun, anak, no? That's the one we love na? Okay na yun? No?
Yeah.
Ganda rin naman to. Yan. Cute ng color. Ano ba to? 24 pala to. Ito na nga yung gusto ko kanina. That's nice. That's nice. Punta tayo dun sa ano. Another option is this one. 6 ito din. Maganda rin to. Pero more ano kasi yun. Dalawa. Yun kasi ano na. Okay na. Nice. 1, 3. 19.
And duty manager 2 is per.
This one is...
Extension number is 47996. And duty manager...
Uy, ang nice naman nito. Ah, isa lang. Ay, this is nice. And this one is another one. Ay, I like this. Kaya lang, oh, sira na. Madali lang. Ah, this one na lang. This is better pa. Ano ba to? This one is
Good morning, coworkers.
Billy. Yan.
You welcome our friends at the store.
Nice to. 249. O, yan, o. Ang ganda ng mga ganitong chair din. Shabby chic. This is my dream kitchen. Yan. Shabby chic. Yan. 37. Nice. Nice siya. I need to change na our chair. This one or this one. Oh, dito na. 3,000. Yeah, we have that. I bought it from... Ito na nga pala yung 6,400. I bought it from what? Where? Singapore. Yan. So, I need this. Yan. Ay, kaya lang ano siya? Hindi pala siya ano, bath lang.
Thank you and have a great day.
590. This one, oh. Ang ganda. 280. Yes. 250. So, we're looking for a day bed. Yeah, for mommy chick. That we will place downstairs. Wala pa akong makita, anak. Oh. Oh. Ay, hindi ito. Yung bed mismo. Ay, nasan ba yun? What we need, this one. 14,990. Yan, this one. What we need, this one. Makin.
Yes.
That's the bed. So, this is the bed.
Where you put it?
Downstairs. Eh, ano mo nga, anak? I-pull mo. Pull mo siya. Pull mo. Yes. Yan. And then, the other one. This one. This one. Then, pull mo. Okay. Yan. Okay. Then, close it. Close mo. Yan. It. Ang ganda ng bedsheet. The heart. Need. For downstairs. Nilalagyan pa may ganyan. Yan. Okay, that's it. That's the bed need for the house. Yan. Yan siya. So, 12,390. Slippers. Nice to. For guests. This is nice for attorney. 14,990. Ang ganda. That's nice. Ang ganda niya. Nice. So that's it, my lovely side positives. Joaquin enjoyed the 20 pesos breakfast. Yun nga lang ang catch. One member gets 2 breakfast, 2 plates of breakfast at 20 pesos. Then regular price na yung next. 99 pesos. Good thing may discount si Joaquin. He used his PW card. So, yun. Okay, so I'll see you next time when we come back for the bed and the couch. Okay? This is my dream fridge. Yeah. And we're back here at IKEA with my 2 boys. And here, how to shop to IKEA. And you can freeze if you want. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Hi. Okay. Sale. On sale pala ang IKEA ngayon. Today is June, what? Wait. June 30th. Yeah. Hazay Zeti. Diba you don't have, it's a 6 months on when you shop things online. Imagine mo yun, $490 lang itong bed na to, yung frame. Extra 20%. Wow, may extra 20% ako. 50 pesos lang. Buy this. Wala na tayo niyan eh. Okay.
Ano?
I no need na yan.
Why?
No need na. Nice. I love this. The black one. And with this. I need this. Ito. Malaki. Ano kaya kalaki yun? Lang yan. Mura lang yan. 180 lang. Yan o. This one. It's Ziploc. For big items. For traveling. Okay. Para hindi nag-aano yung mga baso. Oh. 90 pesos lang. That's 90 pesos. Magkano ba to? How much to? Pesos. This one. Ang palit dun sa ano. Yan. Toilet. Okay. 60 pesos. Nice. Kailangan sale. This one. So, this is ano ba to? Double. That's nice. Lights. Yan o, 290 lang yung lamp na yun, no? So, just follow the arrow. Astrid. We need frame. This one, as 9.6 na lang to. From 15,000, 9.6. So, hello, my love display Chassis Peps. Dude. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm back here at IKEA to check some items for the house. Yes. So, here, this can be a potential.
PM to
okay
3
lang.
PM umaga, morning.
Okay.
Ano po, Tuesday.
So, yan.
Dalawang
Checking the bed. So, si Mark ang nag-a-assist sa amin. Yan. So, kailangan may 20% discount ako dyan.
Babalik na naman tayo dun. May shortcut naman, sir.
May shortcut daw.
Yan, ito yung sa bed.
Sa bed.
Ay, ito yung bed frame. Dalawa, 7,980.
7,900. Magkano na total ko with the billing and everything? 36 love. Meron ba ka installment plan here?
Installment pala.
Ayun, parang i-assemble. 9% additional price na po.
9%. Hindi. Yung installment sa item, card.
Yun nga po.
Hindi, sa card.
Yes, meron pag lumagpas ng, ng
Ayan.
20K.
Oh, magkano?
May 6 months.
6 months. Any card?
Yan, may video, BPI, HSBC, tsaka Metro, ma'am.
Okay. O, BPI.
6 months.
I mentioned, this is how you shop. So, take a picture of the items you wanted and then ask for the assistance. So, sa every department, may katulad ni Mark. So, yun. And then, we will finalize here sa computer. So, okay na.
Mag-elevator na lang.
Yan. So, it's up. And then, this is my design. Yan. So, I designed it with Mark, of course.
Wait lang po, ma'am.
Yan. So, yan. And then, yan na, design summary. O, diba? And the assemble fee will be 9% of the total purchase. Okay. So, ito na. Okay.
So, i-stapler lang natin ng para di siya, ma'am.
Sige.
So, na yung daan natin?
Dito na ulit. Palabuta tayo doon sa bed eh. Para i-ano.
Pupunta pa kayo, ma'am?
Kasi yung foam,
Hindi, okay na.
shortcut na. Para hindi na.
I-ano nyo lang po dun, ikutin nyo lang po ulit.
Ay, dito na.
Kasi ano to 9, tapos 8 out, 7 bed.
Okay. Sige, thank you, Mark.
Thank you po, ingat po.
Okay. So, if you have questions here at the customer service, so you have to scan this QR code. And then here, so it's okay to change your mind. If you need to exchange some items, you can do it. So here in IKEA. Exchange and returns, but I will ask what pillow, what mattress is better. The number 3. Dito na nga ako pala. Here, the reason why I'm here, because I need to ask what mattress is okay, firm or medium firm. So that's it. There. And it arrived. So this is the 2 mattresses. And this is the bed, the slacks, and the Billy. So later, you will see how they... Actually, we asked an assembler from IKEA because I cannot do that anymore. So yeah. Yes. So we will put the bed there. Yan. And this one, yung cabinet. So we will enclose this area with Billy cabinet. Okay. That's it. So yan, accredited assembler of IKEA. Ayan na yung Mober. So Mober is accredited, ano ba tawag sa inyo? Assembler? Ayan sila. Service provider. Ayan. So, they're doing it now. Diba? So, this is the Billy cabinet. Billy Jean. This one, I got this from IKEA Singapore, and that one also from IKEA Singapore. Ganun ba?
Oh, anytime mo. Pagka ano pa ako nila.
So, yan yung look.
Ano mo na yung mga ibang karton doon sa labas para hindi tayo matambakan dito na ano.
So, ito na agad yung Billy cabinet. Ang bilis. Ayan. Ilan yung ganyan? Ilang ganyan paano? Isa lang? Yan. Isa lang yan? O doble yan? O isa lang, no? Ito, yung pang close nyo, isa lang? Isa lang. Siya naman sa bed. Ang bed ni mother.
Ay, kay Lola pala ito?
Oo, sa kanya. Kasi hindi na siya makaakyat. Nakakaakyat pa naman, kaya lang medyo ano na eh. Yan, almost done. Talaga dapat ano talaga. Ang bili. Maliit. Hindi yan pala kailangan i-mount kasi ano.
Opo ma'am, nakaano naman po siya.
Nakaano naman. Add. O diba, nagkaroon na ng ano. That's it. Then the Billy. The Billy.
Okay,
That's the door. So that's the door. Nine. And half. And done na. The BD, this is the small one. And the shells. Almost done. This one, the Billy. Oh, diba nice?
Sagabay ba ko dyan?
Sige, gawin mo muna. Sabit mo muna yan. Sige, hawakan mo muna yung ano niya, pinto. Hawakan mo muna.
Sagabay dyan ba?
Hindi, okay lang.
Agad naman itong inaksyonan ng kanilang maintenance team. Habang inaayos ito, nagsasabi ng maraming pasahero sa EDSA Bus Paris.
And a drawer. A drawer. The drawer, yes, dear, ito.
Ng illegal na offshore gaming at iba pang klase ng
Ah, dito yung
Almost done.
Nakihitan naman ng taxi ang magkaklase orientation.
Ay, ano na lang, drawer na lang.
kasi bagong bird yan.
Ayan. Ang cute nga na pagkalagay niyo. Ayan, o. Tapos makiklik siya. Pag tama yung lagay mo, makiklik. Nag-click ba?
Okay, ganun din po yan.
This is the bed. So, this is the mattress. Super nice. And this is the cover. The, ano siya, protective cover of the bed. All from IKEA. There. So that's a wrap, my lovelies, my Joseph, and hope you love my IKEA shopping vlog as I do from shopping, ordering, and how the mobber assembled the 3 pieces of furniture we ordered from IKEA. The 2 Billy cabinets and the 1 slack bed. Yes. And as you know, I always love IKEA. And even before, going to IKEA was one of my dreams. And it materialized last 2014 when I went to Singapore. And we don't have IKEA that time. Yes. And so happy that IKEA is now here in the Philippines. And if you haven't watched my vlogs about IKEA, so I featured IKEA on the first day of its opening. So I had a walkthrough vlog and IKEA shopping haul, and I also featured the department where they sell their slightly damaged furniture. As you saw also in this vlog, yes, the as is. Before it's called like this, but now they call it as is. Yeah. And if you have a requirement in your home, especially if you have a small space like me, I'm staying in a townhouse. Yes, so IKEA is for you. IKEA is to go to. Because IKEA is so friendly, especially for small spaces. And you will be amazed because there are lots of showrooms that you will get inspiration from the kitchen, dining, living room, and bedrooms. Yeah. And I think their 20 pesos breakfast still in promo. Yeah, from time to time. I think last weekend they had another 20 peso breakfast. And you have to try that because it's yummy for 20 pesos. So if you are a family member of IKEA, you will get 2 plates of IKEA breakfast for only 20 pesos. So you will just pay 40 pesos. Yeah, okay. So thank you so much again, my love is Josephines, for spending time with me, and stay tuned for more shopping, luxury brands, events, and beauty vlogs. Okay, so I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Love you! So this is the bed. So this is how it looks now. Yeah, and we will buy a cover panel for that area so that the bed will not be ruined. Yeah, so here is the bed. So the bed sheets are also from IKEA. I bought it from Singapore. And this one, another bed sheet. Actually, this is not a bed sheet. This is a duvet cover. Both of them are duvet covers. So I use it as a bed sheet. This is also from IKEA, but from Canada. Then the drawer here. You can put pillows here. There. Yan. Diba nice? And the cabinet. So that's the cabinet. Yeah. So this is the Billy cabinets. So when you purchase Billy cabinets, you will just purchase like a a cabinet with shelves, and then it's up to you to customize it. So yeah. So my award from Don Cristobal as best fashion vlogger, yeah, last year. And this is a gift from my former staff. Yeah, and remember this? Yeah, and this one, remember, my first paint project. And this one from Jor, and this one, actually pala, this is my first paint project from Louis Vuitton. And our pictures from Hermes events. Then this one gifted to me by my lovely C.A. Algen. And these 2 books from my gorgeous friend Jenny Kingston. And my elephants. You know, I love elephants. And that here. Yeah. So I put some things here. And here. There. And here, my Tiffany & Co. This is from Royal Albert. These 2 cups are gifted to me by Jenny King. And that one from Arvin, our Simpson editor-in-chief. And this one from my lovely friend Charito Kasemi, the plates. And that one I got from Starbucks, Alice and Olivia. And this one from Casa Manila of my cousin Pai. And this one from another store also during pandemic. Okay, that's it. So I was able to enclose this area. Yeah. Okay, that's it for now. My love is made Chasa Peps.